I just wanted to play around with scriptable objects and events on the weekend, because I wanted to test how efficient and scalable systems can be created using scriptable objects. And what could be a better way than to create an inventory and crafting system? As I play a lot of Minecraft with my daughter, and I even created some simple mods for fun before, I have a deep understanding of Minecraft's inner workings. So it was an easy choice to make it to a Minecraft inventory and crafting system. Hi, this is CoreyCode and this is how it went. I just grabbed some icons of the excellent Faithful Textures pack, link in the description, and I set out to create the items and the inventory system first. Not just add, remove or exchange items, but using the right click take half of the items or just place one item at a time need to be working. Also, I need to generate different size containers and auto save their content. Next, I add the crafting recipes and crafting mechanics. I had to make them work in both handcrafting 2x2 area and with the crafting tables 3x3 area. Finally, I have added smelting recipes and mechanics, and a few more UI elements to the site simulate mining and placing items. End of the second day, I was shocked I could build it this quickly, and the inventory and crafting needed such a small amount of clean code, thanks to the heavy usage of scriptable objects and events. So I decided not just to continue adding more mechanics like brewing or enchanting in the future, but to create series of tutorials to share my findings, and the first one will be available as soon as it's ready up here. Please subscribe to get notifications of the upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.